Hey, I just done my hair like this. You want to see how? Ready? Ready? You want to see how? Okay. Give me a few seconds. Let me give you this vibe. This time I'm going to add music. I promise you I'm going to add music this time. Alright, ready? Set. Watch the whole hair porn. Plus an added bonus. See you soon. Hey, it's me, I'm JEC, and welcome back to my channel. First off, what are we doing today? It's a daily vlog. I've been doing videos every single day. So the last one I did was for comic relief. And today we're going to go with my OG. Some hair porn. So once again, this is a daily vlog. Also, I'm doing this in the morning. So good morning to you, good afternoon, whatever time you watch this, good evening to you. Whatever you watch this, I'm just glad you watched it. And let's go. So, welcome back to my channel. I am JEC, your name is Jermaine. That's me, and this is Arie. So it's been a minute since I've done a hair porn video, and I kind of been missing it. I was gonna give y'all more next month, and I feel like maybe I should just give y'all a little bit of an intro this month. And let's just go with a get ready to go to sleep / workout clothes thing. It's one workout. I'm going to be adding I'm going to add my LOC Method back. What I'm using today is this. I'm using aloe vera juice. This is aloe vera juice and peppermint oil. And that happened. And then I'm going to add my oil. This is the oil. This is the TGIN. This is from the TGIN line that I got for free. But this is the TGIN's Argan Replenishing Hair and Body Serum. Smells good still. And last but not least, I'm gonna add two different things. I'm gonna have two seeds. My first seed is gonna be this, the red palm oil from Shea Moisture. So I'm going to be giving this actually as a mashup or as a little bit of a pile on because of all these different products. And this is the curl stretch pudding. It's been really kind of giving me a lot of body. Yeah. Okay. And last but not least, I'm going to be using this raw shea butter. Raw shea balm from Palmer's. So first things first, what we need to do first is freshen it up. What did just happen last night? I just came home from work. I am actually a little sleepy and tired. I'm actually wearing one of my, this is like one of my hair shirts actually. Because sometimes products show a little bit of other stuff. So first things first, add your moisture. Add my liquid. My liquid, the L stands for liquid. This is aloe vera juice plus peppermint oil. I love this mostly because it's peppermint oil is going to help like kind of moisturize, and it's going to like give my scalp a little bit of a zing. And basically I just spray this all over. I'm not going to spray too much, but I'm going to spray enough. See, I'm getting it in there, right? So if you're doing this with me, what is a good L? A good L is a good leave-in, or like me with a liquid. Some people will say what's the best thing. If you're cheap, if you really can't, like I would say like for a cost effective, I love doing this. But a little water helps a lot. And I say water with like a leave-in conditioner to help dilute it more. So you can have more like, so you can feel and just play. Because pretty much right now I'm just going to like just keep moving. And I'm going to get a little bit to my center. As you see, it's like a little bit everywhere, but I love it. Okay, let me just show you a little bit of a difference. With moisture, now I get to really touch. Now what kind of style I'm going for is going to be a bun. So right now we got to add our oil. Add our oil. Or oil. Our oil mix. This is going to be an oil. This is the Argan Replenishing Serum from TGIN. That's, thank God I'm natural. And it's basically, the key ingredients in this is argan oil plus coconut oil. But it has so many. So it's kind of like my oil mix, but just more marketable because my oil mix isn't in the store. So, yeah. I'm going to get a lot of it because my hair needs it. This is how much I'm using. And I'm just going to supply all over. And just make sure my hair is fully coated. I like to get all over and then just run it down with your hands. Also, what I'm doing is going to massage my scalp for hair growth. So if you're doing your O is your choice for like also cost effective. I always tell people this. The best thing sometimes with that is just get like olive oil, because olive oil is really good. Extra virgin olive oil, it's the best thing. Extra virgin olive oil, and try your best. Yeah, that's like the best, and that's like the best for virgin hair. And if not, go to the store, find something and look at it. Make sure it doesn't have that much parabens, and it's oil, so it should just kind of naturally coat your hair, as you see what mine is doing. As you see, we're playing with it and everything like that. Now let's move on to our C. I have 2 different C's for 2 different reasons. This is going to help with the moisture, just make it all just nice and scrumptious. Let's get that going first. And let's go. Say like things happen crazily. I'm gonna get a little bit. I'm just gonna get some from the top. This is how much I'm using. What I'm using now is the Shea Moisture Red Palm Oil and Cocoa Butter. That's what it looks like. And just go hand to hand. I'm going to do the palm method right now. I'm going to go upwards like this as a bun. Kind of as a pre-bun. And I'm just going to go from here. And I'm going to get my bag, as you see. And then as I let go, as you see, all that whiteness will disappear. If all those, yeah, that's the one thing I always tell people. Please remember, pile-ons, any type of like with LOCs, if it does not disappear, just keep rubbing it in. Unless it's a gel, that means you may put too much in. And what we're going to just do now is keep going. Rub it in all the way. I'm not going to lie, I'm going to probably have some white part. And last but not least, stretch. Stretch your hair a little bit more so we can get maximum for what we're doing. And that happened. Like that. Basically. Alright, ready? Last one. This is the Palmer's Red Palm Oil right here. And what we're doing now is this. This is the Red Palm Balm. And I'm going to use a little bit. I don't use like that much. So what we're going to do now is this. First things first, coat your hands, just like the palm method. And we're going to coat our hair. I'm going to go a little bit closer to the camera so you can see kind of the direction we're going. We're going to make our hair go all the way to the back. And I'm going to make my hand a brush. That means just keep grabbing it. Like this is so. And as this is so. And then you just go to the back, like how my hair is now. And always have your band with you, like that. See how easy this is? And I just double do it. And last but not least, I make it a bun by doing this last part. And that's how I do my bun. Now, how long will I have my hair like this while I go to sleep? This is this morning. I'm going to be heading to sleep. When I wake up, I'm going to also probably put a do-rag on or put like, just if you kind of have a satin, I have a satin pillowcase. So, it's pretty much what I'm going to be using as well, trying my best to have my satin pillow on all times. Sometimes what I do is this. You know, you do the new hair move. Sometimes I do with this as well. Now, let's see, look again. This is considered this is kind of like a curly bun, but it's really good. And what it does is it'll give me body all over. So I'll see you with the next video tomorrow. And you can see how my hair turned out after I go to work and stuff. But it's cool. But all in all, hair porn, I love doing this. And if you have any pictures and stuff like that you want to share with me with my Instagram or my Facebook and anything else, the link is down in bio. And if you like this video also, thumb me up. If you like this video, heart it too. Comment down below about what kind of hairstyles you're going for now. I know it's spring, so it's amazing. We can do different styles and different kind of waves now. We can, you know, maybe have our hair out Right now my hair is in the protective style. This is also protective style for those that don't know this. Buns matter. Buns are very like cool, chic, and you just have like that, and it's very low maintenance. While I'm at it, let's go ahead and give Arie some little TLC. So let's make this a little beard porn. This is gonna be like, watch. Boom, boom, boom. So you just do like this. Like that. I'm gonna give Arie a lot of moisture. And then I'm gonna rub. See that? You're gonna rub your beard a little bit, a lot, and then you just add. We're gonna add a little bit of oil. This is a lot, but I'm gonna add like a little bit. See? Now that my beard is fully coated and has this more moisturizer, I'm gonna also scratch. Ready? So I'm scratching and pulling. It feels really good. I'm not gonna lie, I love when you get to help do this. I know it's been a real long time since I haven't talked about Aries, but I want to give y'all a double feature. And also, this way, like, you have something to watch when you get ready, so you can say we got ready together. So whether you get ready for work, tonight, going out tonight, we can watch this as like a get ready video. And you know, I'm going to get ready to go to sleep. But that's okay, it's okay. I'm gonna have that long. This is how much I'm using for Aries, just a little bit. I'm not gonna sugarcoat this. I don't like putting too much of product on my beard, because for some reason it doesn't need it. With those two alone, it does a lot of wonders. Like my L and my O is a beautiful thing. For all of you out there, for real low maintenance, using some different products doesn't really matter. It's just kind of like your comfort zone. And last but not least, I'm going to give it a little more shine. We're using the Shea butter. And like I said, it's all kind of lighter version of compared to my hair. And we got ready. So whether you're going to work now, or you're going to stay in and you have to go somewhere later on today or on errands, this will give you a low maintenance hairstyle. And if you got a beard or growing a beard or considering a beard, I got you too. 2 for 1. See you with the next one. See you tomorrow.